Welcome to my channel Quiz Master. Today, we started a new journey for upcoming exam. So the Master series is for you, my champion. Subscribe my channel, like and comment your score. Question number 1. Which Mughal emperor has attempted to vandalize the Kailash temple at Ellora? Answer is A. Question number 2. Kargam folk dance is associated with which state? Answer is A. Question number 3. Bhupen Hazarika was one of the most well-known personalities from the state of? Answer is B. Question number 4. Indian classical vocalist Pandit Jasraj belonged to which of the following musical gharanas? Answer is D. Question number 5. The Shehnai is a reed instrument with how many holes along the tubes? Answer is B. Question number 6. Where did the indigenous sport Gatka originate from? Answer is A. Question number 7. Who wrote the novel The Catcher in the Rye? Answer is D. Question number 8. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was the first Home Minister of India, is known by which sobriquet? Answer is B. Question number 9. Which of the following is an example of system software? Answer is C. Question number 10. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India provides that there shall be a legislative assembly for the National Capital Territory of Delhi? Answer is C. Question number 11. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution mentions the fundamental duty, sovereignty, unity and integrity of India is mentioned? Answer is C. Question number 12. Which is the most attractive and unique festival of Assam where the barter system comes alive? Answer is B. Question number 13. Which marine carotenoid is abundant in brown seaweed, macroalgae and diatoms? Answer is A. Question number 14. Which of the following social reformers of 19th century India was the author of Stree Purush Tulna? Answer is A. Question number 15. As per Census of India 2011, in which of the following states was the total population less than 10 lakh? Answer is B. Question number 16. Who among the following was a famous sitar player? Answer is D. Question number 17. What was the name of the operation that led to the annexation of the Hyderabad state into India? Answer is C. Question number 18. The first battle of Panipat took place between Babur and? Answer is C. Question number 19. Which of the following Indo-Greek kings was mentioned in the Buddhist text Milind Panho as Milinda? Answer is D. Question number 20. Which of the following classical dance forms is usually concluded with Tarangam? Answer is A. Question number 21. Nag Panchami is celebrated in which month of Hindu calendar? Answer is A. Question number 22. Which language is known as Italian of the East? Answer is A. Question number 23. Which article of the Indian Constitution sets qualifications for being a member of Lok Sabha? Answer is B. Question number 24. In which district of Uttarakhand does the Ramganga river originate from the Dudhatoli ranges? Answer is D. Question number 25. The Central Office of the Reserve Bank of India was initially established in which present city in 1935?